quick, and healthy. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a nutrient-packed drink. We are blending up the ultimate immune-boosting smoothie. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Roughly chopped spinach. Place spinach into a high-powered blender. If needed, push spinach down using a spatula. Add yogurt to the blender too. Take a quick second to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other nutrient-dense recipes. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Whole and chopped strawberries. Place strawberries into the blender. Peel and slice banana. Place banana into the blender. What is your favorite smoothie ingredient? Let us know. Comment below the video. Place nut butter. We use peanut butter, chia seeds, and sugar or substitute into the blender. Pour in protein shake and add ice. If you are enjoying this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also subscribe below to know when we release new recipes. Once all of the ingredients are in the blender, process on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Pour smoothie into a glass and drink to your health. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.